Hello, we are at Chessington. It's been obviously a while since we've been here, but it's one of our favourite places to come, honestly. It's I just love the theming, I love all the audio around here. Yeah, and it's going to be a great day. And of course, we're going to get on Croc Drop for the first ever time, which I'm so excited about.
Going to brave the drop and release the curse.
Yes, so it's going to be wicked.
I'm so looking forward to it. After hearing everyone's reviews from last week and hearing all about it.
It just looks stunning, like it's so picturesque. Can't wait to try and get some, if the sun comes out, get some nice kind of like shots of it and stuff. So hopefully it's going to be a nice quiet day.
It's pretty quiet already, isn't it?
You just never really know with Chessington, so I'm sure we'll soon find out. So yeah, let's head over to Croc Drop for our very first drop on the Croc Drop.
You're one of a kind. One of a kind.
Okay, we just did 2 goes there on Croc Drop. It's basically just walk on.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It was so much fun. I loved it. Like, I still had like the tense feeling.
Yeah.
I know it's not a particularly high drop tower, but I'm a bit iffy on them anyway. So you still get that tense feeling, but the drop itself is just like floaty and fun.
Yeah.
It's not like that massive free fall, so it's really good.
It's so fun. Like, the views up there are stunning. Like,
I
you
love
can
how
see,
it spins as well, so you can see all the way around.
It's like you're not just stuck to one side, but it's I love them style of like drop towers. It's just fun, but it is just a viewing platform that has a nice like fun little drop, and it does make your stomach go over, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Which I love it when that happens.
And because the cycle is like it drops and it comes back up, and you know you get a bit more out of it.
But the theming, man,
it's so well done.
So well done. The sound design, everything
the fact that
about.
You feel like you're actually in a tomb when you're in there, and then the mist all just comes out as you're going up. It's pretty awesome.
It's so cool. Like, you can see it there going now, up and down. Yeah, it's just like, it's exactly what they needed, and it blends really well into the area anyway.
Yeah.
It makes you want to go on Toon Blaster, which I think we'll go on now.
It looks like it's always been here.
Yeah,
now,
it literally does. Yeah. So we're just like, I'm just so happy we've got something of this standard, just for like, you know, a kind of a kids ride. So, you know, this with Tornado Springs, like, we've been treated this year, haven't we?
Yeah, definitely.
So I'm so glad to see it. Like, just, it's not even like a massive drop tower, but to put that much theming on something like this is just like what we want, isn't it? It's that detail, it's that attention to detail. But yeah, I think we're going to go do Toon Blaster now.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll have a look a bit around the area. Actually, no, it won't be, will it? Damn it. Totally forgot about that. So obviously Toon Blaster is closed because of COVID. Boo COVID. But I love.
By May it'll be open.
Yeah, hopefully May 17th. Well, I've always really loved this area, and it has been given a bit of a facelift.
The queue line for Toon Blaster.
Yeah,
awesome.
it's so cool. But yeah, you've got some. I just love it. Like, look at this waterfall. So nice. And this is obviously all the queue for Toon Blaster that I really love as well. The fact that it goes all the way around. It really feels like you're going into a tomb.
Yeah, it's like a proper adventure to get to, isn't it?
And again, that's why I just love how they've done Croc Drop, just because it's like, you know, it just so fits in so well, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, just looking at it, and like the pictures of it don't do it justice until you're actually here looking at it in 3D and seeing around it. Like, it's so epic.
Oh, they've been given a bit of a pause. Oh, maybe they're on the next cycle or whatever. Yeah. Definitely want to get in a few of them today, I think.
Yeah. Well, the fact it's walk on, I'm going to literally just keep going on it. Definitely want to do Tiger Rock as well,
Yeah, we haven't done Tiger Rock. Shocking.
I know.
Seems to be off every time we come, doesn't it?
Yeah, the last 2 times we came, it was closed.
Yeah.
Should we go do that now?
No. I don't want to get wet this early on.
Okay.
The log flume.
At least you got time to dry off then.
I think rattlesnake
Okay.
is a must.
I'm up for that.
Rattlesnake, vampire.
Yeah. Dragon's Fury.
It's a very quiet day. Very quiet day.
It's hard to believe that had 3-hour queues last week, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, we might get to do Zufari today as well. We've not done that.
Zufari.
Zufari.
So I love the entrance as well. I need to have a good picture there in a bit.
So cool. Yeah, we need a photo in that.
So heading into the Mexicana area again. And it looks great in here. It's all been painted up.
It's nice to see all the booths open as well. Because last year I think most of these were closed, weren't they? Like.
Might be controversial, but one of my favourite areas in the UK, because I just love a good Western theme.
Yeah, I do as well.
I really do.
Like the whole saloon and everything,
Yeah.
it's so cool. Oh, the street food's closed.
Oh no, that was our favourite.
I wanted to eat there today. It's corn wraps or...
That's it, yeah.
Was it? I don't remember.
Now.
It was good.
We had something. We got Scorpion Express down there. But yeah, I just like it. It's really good. And one of my favourite rides here, which is Rattlesnake.
Rattlesnake.
Such a solid wild mouse. You like it, don't you?
It is, it's good fun.
Oh.
Sounds spooky when I walked in.
Yeah, it did. Sound like you started a mission in Red Dead Redemption. I really love the queue line in here. Just did a nice go there on Rattlesnake. Really good. Trimming mad today though. Like, I've never had trims like that on there before. It literally just like sped you up to like hit right. But still really fun. Really fun with that. I
Definitely a jerky ride.
It's gonna be a jerky ride. Over to Vampire. Yay! Did our very first ride of the season on Vampire.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing coaster. I love it. It's so intense.
It's so good. Like,
Yeah.
especially that bit where you go down and through the tunnel. It's come so unexpected every time.
I've got some smell pods in the station this year, which I didn't really notice last year.
Yeah, the whole crypt bit before you
Yeah,
walk
it's like
around.
a proper scare maze. I
Really
need to
does
know
hit
the
you.
name of what that smell pod is because I smell it in every scare maze I go into. But it really adds to that atmosphere.
Yeah,
And
it's awesome.
the organist, the vampire, is looking great in there as well. So what shall we do now? Shall we go check out Blue Barnacle? Yes, everything is walk on Vampire. Vampire's walk on. So there's Blue Barnacle. Looking nice and fresh. We just did a nice go there on Blue Barnacle. It was very good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good.
And the captain, he asked us if we want a short or long cycle because there's no one in the queue. So we had a nice
3-minute cycle.
Good long, not little, long cycle on there.
It's really good. Like, we had the back row as well, so you do get some proper airtime, like bum off seat
Yeah.
at the top.
I can't wait because I've not done Drayton Manor's pirate ship in ages, and I remember that being very good. So we're going to go do that soon. But still, best one I've ever done. Efteling.
Efteling is our absolute favourite.
It goes so high.
So intense, that's pirate.
Really intense. So as the park's completely empty, it'd be rude not to go on Dragon's Fury at least a few times. So here we go, Dragon's Fury. Look at that. Look, 5 minutes. That is insane. We normally wait like over an hour for that when we come.
And we just walked on it, and because there was no one in the queue when we went back around the station, I was like, can we stay on? And they let us have 2 laps round.
Yeah, it's like so good. Oh man, because there's literally no one waiting for it. No one waiting for it. This is the greatest day of my life. I feel like.
So good.
I feel like we've just rented it out.
Yeah, got the park to ourselves.
I mean, I love it when we've done it where we've been to towers and it's been like this.
Yeah.
But because we've not
had that at Chessington,
no, yeah.
It's always busy when we come.
Chessington's always very busy. So we want to go to do the thing now, Tiger Rock now.
No, I want to eat now actually.
That is so cool. That's really nice. So that's a nice little touch. So we decided on the Smokehouse. So he's got a pint, I've got a Coke, some driving, and I've got this veggie burger, which is like what was it again?
Quinoa protein burger.
Quinoa protein. And you got a jacket potato.
Make your own jacket potato.
It looks pretty good though. Like, oh yeah, here's your beans. There you go. Got the seasoned fries on the go. Look good, man. Tastes good. First ever go on Tiger Rock there.
That was wicked.
I got pretty wet, to be honest.
Yeah, you was at the front.
It's mainly my feet, to be honest, because I was at the front, so it all comes down, doesn't it?
I got a little sprinkle in, but not too bad.
But really enjoyed that though. Quite a nice relaxing little go, but it's actually way more rapid, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
like
really quick.
Most of log flumes. Hello. Flying around there, it was torpedo. But yeah, really good. I just like the fact that it wasn't just like it took for ages to get to like one drop to the next. It was just like everything was, and that indoor section's really cool as well.
Yeah, with all the little lights and stuff. Yeah. And you go right past that tiger enclosure.
Yeah. We didn't see any tigers, unfortunately, real tigers. But no, it's really, really good. So I think we're going to go now and do Scorpion Express. Hey! Bam, 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 bam. Scorpion Express.
Watch out, Scorpion's about.
Ow! Did he even go? Shh!
What?
Oh my god, the badge, they got a scorpion.
Oh my god! No. Oh, you can't see anything.
Comment on the video if you saw one.
They've escaped!
If you head over afterwards, well, thanks.
I looked good.
So this was the old mine train when it first opened.
I love the rusty thing.
The what?
The rusty thing.
Yeah. I love with Chessington how they really think about the view and where it goes. We're on Zufari with Sam, the man, and Joe. There you go. Have you seen anything yet, Joe?
No. A pigeon.
Sam, give me a pun.
Give you a pun?
Yeah.
That's a bit hard.
Wow! That's as far as
Hey! I'll have to beat that out.
So we just had one nice little Lasco there on Vampire, front row special.
Yeah, it's running so well now as well.
It's amazing. Before that we went on Zufari as a short saw. And what else did we do? We did something else.
We did Croc Drop again.
We did Croc Drop again and Scorpion Express. So yeah, we haven't seen you in a while. But we bumped into Sam Costello on YouTube. Here he is. Where's his hair gone?
Cruise shooter.
We did, yeah. He went on Croc Drop and that's what he come off like. It's crazy, man. But yeah, no, we've had an awesome day. It's so great seeing Croc Drop finally. Now it's all out up there. Now it's all up in the sky. But no, it's been beautiful, beautiful weather.
Yeah, lovely, perfect day.
Pretty much empty, like just getting on.
Walked on every ride.
Yeah, walked on every ride. Did you have a good day, Sam?
Absolutely phenomenal day.
Yeah?
The sun is shining, birds are singing, no queues. What more can you ask for?
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Couldn't say it better. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the vlog, give it a like. If you've hated it, give it a dislike. And if you want to subscribe, feel free to subscribe. It's free. Yay! See you later. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.